Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade mix. Start by dissolving sugar in hot water to form a simple syrup base, then add fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt to brighten flavor. Adjust sweetness by adding more syrup or water to taste, and chill the mix before bottling. Label containers and refrigerate or freeze portions for longer storage to keep fresh lemon flavor. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results, using fresh lemon juice and room temperature water to balance flavor. Combine syrup and juice slowly, stirring between additions, and taste test with a chilled glass to determine final dilution. Consider making one batch at a time until you find your preferred tartness and sweetness, then double or triple the recipe for parties or gifts while maintaining the same ratios. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for carrying lemonade mix or finished drinks, and it seals tightly to avoid spills, making it perfect for picnics or pool days. I've left a link and some deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors like mint, basil, or ginger to create signature twists without overpowering lemon. Try steeping herbs in the warm syrup briefly, then cool and combine with juice for gentle infusion. For a sophisticated touch, add a tiny splash of clear spirits or sparkling water when serving, keeping the core mix simple so it remains versatile for both family drinks and cocktails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.